Classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surds. Now see here, we have to classify this. First we have to make them into simpler form, that is root 52 is there. Now we have to write simpler form. We know that 13 fours is what? 52. So 4 is a square of 2. So it comes out and remains only, this is, it become 2 and this is root 13. Now other is a 5 root 13. If you see this 5 root 13, this came 2 root 13. So 5 root 13 and root 52 are like surds. Next, root 68. Root 68 is equal to, if you see 17 fours are 17 fours is 68. So we can divide, if there is any difficulty in separating, write root 4 in the next square root, then we will get, it is a quadratic surd. Root 17 as it is, this gives 2, that is we got 2 root 17. Now you can see that 2 root 17 or root 68 and 5 root 3 are unlike, because if you see the radicand are different. This is, here it is 3, here it is 17. So are unlike surds. So we can't add or subtract the unlike surds. Now next, simplify the following surds. We have to simplify. See the nearest squares. If it is a quadratic surd, if it is a cube root, then we have to check the cube. Now you can write 9 3s are 27. 9, take separate root 9 into root 3. We will get 3 root 3. This is a simplified form of the root 27. 250. 250, it is very easy. 25 multiplied by 10. 25, make the separate arrangement. Root 25 into root 10. Root 25 is the square of 5. So 5 comes out and only remains root 10. So this is 5 root 10. Root 112. See, if you multiply by 16, if it is difficult, then you can try for others also. See what will happen. Yes, if I write here, it gives 56 twos are. If it is difficult to find, 56 twos are. 56 is twice of what? 56 is twice of 28. Twos are 28 twos are 56, 56 twos are 112. Now 28, we can divide 14 multiplied by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. If you see, who will come out of that? That is only 2 are there. So I will take only 1, 2, under root, we can write, that is 28. So by this way we can simplify the surds. Now simplify, here addition, subtractions are given, so we can simplify. Now here subtraction is there. First see, are these are like surds or unlike surds? This is now root 125 is different, looking different. So we have to convert it first. Root 125, if you see here, this is nothing but root 25 multiplied by 5, 5 comes out and only 5 remains. 25 comes out and 5 will get. So we can write this in 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5. That is equal to, now here root 5 is common, so take it out. If we take it out, 9 minus 4 plus 5 remains in that. Only root 5 is taken out. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 root 5. Now next, here you can see root 7 is already there. Radicand is equal and quadratic surd are there. So we can take out the root 7 common. 1 minus 3 by 5 plus 2 will remain in the bracket, and we are taking the root 7 outside. Now make the LCM equal or multiply it simply. 5 ones are 5 minus 3 divided by 5 plus 2 root 7. 2. So 5 minus 3 divided by 5 plus 2. Now multiply this 5 to 2, we will get, this is, here it is 2 plus 10 divided by 5 into root 7. So what will be that? That will be 12 by 5 root 7. By this way we can solve the problems of surds. Okay. Right.